Amanda.
And I'm Devin.
And this is your marketing moment.
I just had a big sigh. Didn't mean to. Very exciting topic. Your footer. The footer of your website. That little guy down there.
Place no one hangs out, but it's really important.
You can make it work for you and kind of help you with your online visibility. One, make sure your name, address, phone number, and primary service are in your footer. You'd be surprised how many people just kind of slap a logo and maybe some copyright text, but because your footer appears on every page of your website, that's more and more visibility with search engines for your name, address, and phone number and company name to be reiterated over and over.
And then also links to your social profiles.
Links to your social profiles, and I love having your main services kind of like a short nav in the footer, a short little sitemap. Having that in the footer is great as well. You can put all kinds of good information, and it's great for the user if they can't find something up top. Most of us know we can scroll to the bottom and look at the footer, but it's great for search engines as well. So take advantage, get that info in there, and
this has been your marketing moment.